Hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're going to be checking out Playa Iguanita, which is right over there. We'll get to the beach in a moment though. But for now, if this is your first time joining us, be sure to like this video, subscribe right here on YouTube, and turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video during our travels here in Costa Rica. And stick around till the end. We're going to do a drone flight over the beach. You're going to see some pretty incredible views of the bay here. So where are we? In Playa Iguanita. It's the road to get here. It's probably 10 minutes outside Comunidad, 20 minutes away from the Liberia International Airport. And the road getting in here, I'm going to cut to some videos of it, is pretty difficult. You're going to drive for about 10 minutes down a pretty chunky path that you could probably do in a car if you didn't like it. It's probably better to have a 4x4 though. It's very rocky. But then you'll get to a wide junction, and shortly thereafter you start taking the road. It descends down from about 700 feet, I think, to the beach, and that road is moon dust. It's chunky and it requires a 4x4, and when you get to the bottom it remains a little bit chunky. So definitely this is a trip for a 4x4, and if you're coming here on a motorcycle, street tires might be difficult on that hill. You might need some off-road tires and a dirt bike. So here we are at Iguanita. There's also down the way just a little bit, connected to the beach area, is a wildlife reserve of the same name, Iguanita. You'll see a lot of iguanas here, of course. Bears the name. So here's something that's pretty cool. I don't know what's going on here. On Google Maps you can see this. There's going to be a pin below about where this beach is. And if you want, leave me a comment. I can pin where the turn is as well. And I'm going to put a blog post up at sightsandsounds.co with pictures of where to turn. So this is called Serenes, I believe. Oh look, there's a lizard right there. Iguana. It's an iguanita. Serenes here. It says hotel. It doesn't look like there's anybody here except for some gents who might be taking care of the property. But look at it. It's super cool. Look at it's massive. It's either a small boutique hotel or somebody's massive house. Look at the size of this pool. Cool. So, once again, if you know what that is, drop a comment. And also, I'm going to upload an ambient walk along the beach here. It's going to be linked below in the description and the top comment on our other channel, Sights and Sounds Ambient, where we just walk around, don't say anything, so you can actually get a sense of the beach here at Iguanita. So here it is. Here is the beach. Super nice. There's barely anybody here. It's a weekday right now in the dry season. So I can see one person way down the beach. There's a little family here chilling out, but that's it. So over here we got Planet Hollywood. We've got the marina, the Four Seasons off there. I can see cranes and construction going on. Over down further this way, I think that's going to be Secrets right there, Secrets Resort. And then Playa Hermosa and Panama and Coco are down there. I can see the islands. So what we're going to do is we're going to head down the beach. We're going to kind of skip ahead to some of the more interesting spots. So we'll see you down there. All right, so I was just walking down the beach here. There's a little, maybe jelly. It's like a jellyfish, maybe? I don't know what that is. It's just a gelatinous blob. It's right here on the beach as I was heading down. We're gonna make a stop at the estuary. That's interesting. If you know what that is, leave me a comment. All right, so our first stop from walking down the beach, we just parked back on that way. So you can see some signs here. Precaution, there's crocodillos. Do not feed them, do not swim. Let's go see what we can see. That makes sense. Don't swim with the crocodiles. I'd say that's generally advisable, yeah. So there's mangroves over here. Who knows how many crocodiles are in there. I can see little fish swimming around. Super cool. This is just kind of like a little bend in the river here. So there's a footpath that goes back to towards the camping area there. Oh, there's little fish jumping around. That's crocodile food right there. Cool, cool. All right, let's continue on further down to the estuary. All right, so here we are down at the end of the beach. Iguanita came from this direction, where we started this video. See over in the distance Planet Hollywood. You can see the marina, and this is the estuary that kind of dumps out, and it's pretty cool. All the waves coming in. There are crocodile warnings down here. I haven't seen any yet. I don't know if you're supposed to see them. Maybe they're just chilling under the water, but look at how cool this estuary is. It's a big one. I can see why crocodiles would like hanging out here. And it's pretty deep. It deepens out pretty quickly there. How's the water? Oh yeah, it's nice and chill. Very good. So really nice, surrounded by the mountains here. Very cool. But let's see what Playa Iguanita looks like from the drone. Let's put it up, and I'll meet you back at the main area. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that drone flight here at Playa Iguanita. Hope you enjoyed some of the views of the bay here. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe right here on YouTube, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video during our travels here in Costa Rica. And please, as always, leave us a comment with your thoughts, questions, requests, anything you know about this location, any other places, beaches, towns you want us to visit and film, so you can be better informed for your vacation here. Thanks for watching. Bye now.